What starts as a simple welfare check outside a beachside bar quickly turns into a tense police encounter. Officers receive reports that a man appears heavily intoxicated and may try to drive away. Their goal isn't to make an arrest, it's to prevent a dangerous situation. But within minutes, one decision changes everything.
What up? You okay? They're worried about you. You good?
So,
Huh?
I think so.
You don't plan on driving, do you?
I don't think I can even get the spark.
Would you do me a favor? Can I have your keys?
No, sir.
Okay, well right now you can go to jail for DUI.
Absolutely.
Is that what you want?
No, sir.
So then let me see your keys.
No, thank you.
All right, well I'm going to call a sergeant and then we'll go to jail, I guess.
You can call my sergeant.
I don't care about your sergeant.
You do care about.
Don't care about your sergeant.
Yeah, his name is.
All right. I mean, hey, people make their own decisions.
Absolutely. Did I drive?
13 to 10 on one. Keys, easily accessible.
Huh?
You can put the keys in and start the car. That's not going to work because you can grab them and start the car. Come on, man.
Exactly.
Come on.
Exactly.
Okay. Hey, it's all on you, dog.
Do you think I want to start anything?
Well, you're not giving me your keys because I don't want you driving off.
I would never drive off.
I don't believe you.
Trust me.
I'm not going to trust you. I don't know who you are.
Okay.
Never seen you a day in my life.
Absolutely, brother.
Yeah.
Brother.
13 to 10 on one.
Now what?
We're going to wait.
Now what?
You want to come down here?
You're gonna bring an extra brother for you?
A sergeant.
You're so tight.
A sergeant.
You're gonna bring sergeant?
Yeah.
His name's what?
Enrique. Sergeant Enrique.
Ah, boo. That's not your sergeant.
I mean, it is. He has stripes.
Is this Port Orange?
Nope. You're in Daytona Beach Shores.
Oh gosh, I might go to jail right now, right?
Depends.
Oh, boo.
I'm gonna let him talk to you. I mean, if you get a ride home, then no.
Oh my god.
If you get a ride home, you won't know.
Maybe you shouldn't act like an asshole.
We can maybe give you a
came
ride
up to
home.
me.
Yes, because people are worried about you.
Well, of course they're worried.
When you're drunk, and I don't want you driving off.
100%.
Don't want you to get hurt. I get it. You
know what I
haven't.
did. You know what I did?
What'd you do?
Through my. Yeah, excuse me.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
No, this guy. He is good. You understand?
Let's let him go.
Baby.
There you go. Damn. Not bad.
Oh, yeah, man.
Do you have somebody that can pick you up? Where do you live at? Because maybe even one of us can give you a ride.
What?
Where do you live at, and then maybe one of us can give you a ride?
You just let those boys go and not even care about me. What the f*** are you talking about?
I don't know who they are. I
don't give a f***.
Yeah, I don't know who they are.
Why are you here?
Because you got a call about you.
About me.
Yes. They called, said they were worried. You were stumbling around. They didn't want you to drive home.
Right?
Yeah.
About me?
And so
Stupid ass idiot. That's all
I don't
I'm
know who
asking.
they are. I don't
That's all
know.
I'm asking.
I don't know if they are.
Or, I mean, well, with stupid ass idiot. You know?
Who? One who called?
Stupid ass idiot. You just let them go.
They were walking fine, talking fine. I don't know who they are. I didn't get a call about them. I got a call about you, so I'm making sure you're okay. If you need a ride home,
brother.
So if you need a ride home, maybe we can get you a ride home.
No, thank you.
How do you plan on getting home?
I will call my wife. Is that cool?
Yeah, let's call her.
You have a
That'd be
phone?
awesome.
You have a phone?
Not on me.
My phone is dead.
Okay. Do you got what kind of charger you got? What kind of phone is it?
It's usually just
We can call you. Do you want to call your wife?
I would love that.
Okay. What is her number? I'll star 67. So.
No, here, hook it up to here.
No, my phone's not dead.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, let's start 67. None shit.
Well, that way she doesn't like know who my number
she's
is.
not from Florida.
Okay.
Like I am.
Okay.
Think you're gonna.
No, does she live here?
Bring
Y'all live here?
Of course I live
Okay,
here.
cool.
I take care of 5 kids from here.
Nice.
Buddy. Oh, buddy, old pal.
Don't know why you're being a dick. I'm being chill with
I don't
you.
know why you're being a faggot. I don't know either.
That's awesome.
Cool. Hey, fag, how you doing, man?
What is her name?
Her name is like better than you know.
Oh, that number's restricted.
Yeah, because you guys don't have restricted numbers to do.
Just trying to call your wife so you can get home.
My wife's gonna get me home regardless.
That's what I'm saying. We're gonna call her so she can come pick you up.
Or what? You're gonna take me home from my car right now?
We can take you home.
You're not taking me anywhere.
Okay, well, you're gonna end up going to jail. Is that what you want? DUI.
Why?
Because your keys are right there. They were in your lap when I got here.
Hell yeah. Did I drive?
You don't have to drive or turn the car on.
Oh, hell yeah, bro. You're driving me. You're going to give me a DUI for real? Because
At this point, notice how the officers continue offering alternatives instead of rushing into an arrest. They repeatedly suggest calling a family member, charging his phone, even offering him a ride home. Taking someone's keys temporarily is a common safety measure when officers reasonably believe an impaired person could drive. Unfortunately, the conversation keeps circling back, and frustration starts replacing cooperation. This is often the turning point in encounters like these. Once emotions take over, even simple solutions become difficult. What would you have done here? Would you have handed over the keys and accepted the ride, or argued your case with the officers?
Please leave your message for...
She did not answer.
Of course she didn't.
You want me to try it again?
Nope. How about,
What kind of charger does your phone take?
Yeah, what?
Charge it for you in my car.
What?
So what kind of charger does your phone
It
take? That way I
charges-
can charge it for you. So that way we can make a call.
This one.
Let me see the end of it.
Is it an iPhone?
100%.
Okay.
This side. I'm sorry, boss. Let me see this side of it. The other side of the wire.
I have no idea.
Can I grab it?
Yeah. Alright, should I connect it to this one? Which one?
Where's your phone?
I have no idea.
Oh, you don't know where your phone
It's
is.
slow.
Okay.
So should I do like,
Did you leave your phone in there, or is it in the car maybe?
Here you go, boss.
Because your phone might not be dead.
Here, I'm gonna let you have this because you don't have your phone to charge it. So here you go.
what? You figured it out?
Yeah, we got it
Figure
figured out.
that shit out in your phone. Once I figure it out with your...
All right, I'm gonna put this back in your car.
No, why?
Yeah, it's yours. Because it's yours.
Why?
Hold
I
on.
never drove my car.
I didn't say you did.
No, that's not what
Get
we're talking
away.
about.
I
That's
didn't-
not
I
what.
never drove my car.
Hey,
Get away.
I
Coy.
didn't say you did.
What
Coy.
you talking about?
I didn't say you
You
did.
get your goofy ass nice. I like your mustache, bro.
Coy.
I like your
Get the
beard.
out of the way then.
That's not what we're
I'm
talking
talking
about.
to this man.
Yeah, that's not what we're talking about.
Am
We're
I not
talking
talking
about
to you or him?
You're talking
Am
to me.
I talking to him or you?
talking to me.
Okay, because I don't like... I'm sorry. Okay.
Chill out.
All right.
He threw that in there because we don't
All
need
right,
it.
cool.
Because you said you don't know where your
I
phone
haven't
is.
drove this car since.
Not
you've
even
been
talking
here.
about that.
Exactly.
Not talking about that. We're talking about your phone.
Exactly. Let this goofy ass bearded guy go that way.
He's over there. He's
I
over there.
know. He's gonna go over there. And
So do you
hate
know a
himself.
number that we can try?
Yes, absolutely.
Whoa, I don't want you to fall.
No, I want to tell you
Okay.
immediately.
What number? And he could come get you?
He could let me know who's gonna get me or not. It doesn't matter. I can slap you or your
Well,
friend.
then you'll definitely go to jail.
Oh, really?
Okay, he did not answer the phone.
Exactly.
So do you have another number?
Doesn't really matter.
Well, then how do
So
you plan
me-
on getting home?
Let's do this one. You want one more?
I'm trying to help you.
Dude, I'm trying to help you too.
I'm trying to help you.
I'm gonna go to jail because I'm not driving a car.
We're trying to
Shut
get you
up,
a
bitch.
ride. We're trying to get you a
I
ride.
don't want to hear him, man.
What is the other number? And this is?
My mother.
Okay. Rhonda.
Ah,
So I thought you
yeah.
said.
Oh no, I'm not depping you, faggot.
I didn't know what
You
you were
know what I
doing.
mean? Yeah, you're a faggot too.
Cool, me too.
I don't care. You're not
Love it.
taking me nowhere because I haven't done nothing. doing?
Hi, is
loser?
this Rhonda?
Yeah, it's Rhonda.
Hi, Rhonda. This is Officer Smith, Daytona Beach Shores.
Oh,
I'm out
don't
with
come
your
over,
son,
go
Coy.
in your car, faggot.
Okay.
He's very intoxicated. Would you be able to pick him up from the bar?
Yes. Where's he
We're
at?
at Yaya's Beachside Bar
Woo!
Okay.
in Daytona Beach Shores.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Mom, can you pick me up?
Yes.
Yeah,
Wait
don't.
for me,
Nah,
please.
Okay.
give my keys back, bro.
No.
Please
Nah,
don't.
give
Hey,
my
Please
keys
don't.
hey,
back.
Coy.
Please stop.
Nah, give me my keys
Ma'am,
back.
do you know
faggot.
about how long?
Hey, faggot, give me my keys back, bro.
I live right off of
You're
that
not
line,
gonna-
so just give me
Okay.
a few minutes.
Don't do that.
touch me.
Don't do that. You're gonna go to
Don't
jail
do
for
that.
battery.
Really?
Yep.
He done touch. He
He's
done
by
touch
himself.
my car.
Sir,
He's by
He
himself.
done touched my
Well,
car.
if he slaps me again, he will be going to
Give
jail.
my shit. Give my shit
Hey,
back.
listen to your
faggot.
mom.
Hey, lesbian. Hey, lesbian of love. God, you call my mom for real?
You said you need a ride. Do you
You
want to sit
call my
down?
mom for real, but he talked my. He give me my shit
All right,
back.
man. We'll see you here in a little bit.
Give me my shit back.
Do what?
Oh, or what?
be right there.
Okay,
Or
thank
what?
you.
Please just
Or
keep
what?
him there, please.
Or
Okay,
what?
thank you. We'll see you in a
Okay.
minute.
Give my shit back,
Bye.
dude. Yeah, she's coming to.
She lives somewhere on the other side of
she's-
Dunlop. I think
she's coming
Bullhorn.
right here. You have a
Back up, man.
man. You have a
You're not-
tough
Coy.
time to come, bro.
Coy, we'll get them when your mom
Can
gets
he
here.
give me my?
When your mother gets here, yes.
For real, that's
Yes.
for like
Yes.
that, dude. I have like
We will give you everything back once
For
your mom
real,
gets here.
for
Yes,
real.
yeah, I swear.
because I have like a key to something
yeah,
that
yeah, I
actually
got you.
means something.
I got you.
Not
Once-
no little this little piece.
yeah,
of shit.
no, your mom is on her way.
I have a key for something.
Yeah, I got
I
you.
don't need him to take it.
I got you.
Can you get it from him?
I will get it from him as
Can
soon
you
as your
get it
mom
from
gets
him
here.
right now?
Not right now because I don't know where he
Get
did
it.
with it.
Get it.
Not gonna do
I
that.
know what he didn't do for it.
I'm not gonna do that.
All right, so
Once-
I'm gonna
once-
ask him for it. Then I don't need to
Coy,
talk to you for
Coy,
it.
Back up.
Are
seriously,
you
bro.
serious?
Go sit down.
I'm telling you, man.
Come on, bro. God damn, we're trying to keep you out of jail, man.
Oh, nigga, I don't give
We're
a
trying to
shit
keep you
about
out of
that
jail.
shit.
Your mom is on the way. Go sit down.
Bro, you're really.
Go sit down.
You're gonna take me out of jail.
Go sit down.
He took my.
Go sit down.
He took my
Go
shit.
sit down.
You're gonna take me out of
Go
jail.
sit down.
Wow.
Your mom is on the way.
Can I sit in my car?
I don't care. Sit in your car.
Okay. is
Sit in your
that-
car. I
is
will be right here with
I
you.
don't give a f- what
You
you're
can sit
talking
in your
about.
car.
Is that- shut
can
the
sit
f-
in your car.
up.
Bro.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Why do you want to go to jail?
Because he's a black ass.
Okay, why do you want to go to jail?
I'll
Your
beat
mom
your
is on
bitch
her way.
ass. I will,
Hey.
too. Yeah,
Your mom
you-
is
what?
on her way.
Take that shit up.
Cool.
huh?
Your mom is
Take
on her
that
way.
shit up, pussy.
Your
No,
mom is
not
on her
you,
way.
brother.
I know.
Not you, brother. Not
Just
you,
here,
brother.
sit down.
He wants to act like it's something.
Sit down. Your mom is
No,
on
I
the
got my
way.
dreads going crazy. He's acting like
that's
something.
cool.
I'll slap the
Hey,
shit
I
out
don't
of
want
you,
you
pussy.
falling.
Pussy, give my shit back.
I will go to your
Right
car
now.
if I was you. No, man.
Coy.
Give my shit back right now.
Coy, once your mom gets here, we're gonna
Right
get you.
now.
Coy, once your mom gets here, we're gonna
No,
get you.
no, I've never done nothing to leave this place.
That's why you're not going to
I've
jail.
never done. Yes, of course I'm not going
Your
to
mom
jail.
is almost here.
Yeah, no, my mom is not almost here.
I just called
This
her.
guy's gonna give me something
I
before
just
I
called
beat
her.
his ass.
Hey,
The little pussy ass
Boy,
bitch.
come on. You've been cool with me. You've been cool with me.
With
so
you.
let's go sit down.
With you.
So let's go
Is
sit
this
down.
cool with you?
Let's go sit down.
Is this cool with you?
Let's go. He's
Give my shit back.
Hey,
Give my
hey.
shit back.
Bro, I will tase you.
Oh, of
Go.
course you will.
Coy,
Of course you will.
come on. Go sit
Oh
down.
my,
Comply. Listen to the officer.
oh my God.
Go sit down.
He'll comply me.
Okay, go sit down.
Cause he'll
Go sit down.
shoot me with a.
This is way better than going to jail. I promise.
For
Go
real?
sit down. Yeah.
It's not about going to jail. I'll go to jail.
Well, that's not worth it.
He's gonna shoot me with a taser.
No one wants to go to jail.
He's gonna shoot me with a taser
Coy,
because he
go
took my
sit
shit.
down.
You have
took
one more
my-
time. Go sit down.
Go sit down.
Go sit down. All right, cuff him, sir. You fucked up. Let him cuff you. You're gonna catch it. Let him cuff you.
Boy,
Let him cuff you. I promise you, you'll catch it.
Put your arm behind your back. Hey,
Nope, nope.
put your arm behind your back. Put your arm behind your back.
Put it behind your f***ing back.
Okay, chill.
Put it behind your back.
Yeah, you need
You're
to
gonna
listen.
catch it, man.
Listen. Okay, stop. Chill. Alright? You got yours on you?
Yep.
Yeah, because you ain't listening.
What is the charge I'm going with?
Resisting.
Yep, resisting. It would have all worked out.
Yeah, your mom's on her
But you
way.
got to be a tough guy, man. Everybody has to be a tough guy.
Serious, man?
Yeah, man. Why you want to be so tough with me, huh? I was just trying to help you. He was trying to help you.
Shot me with a taser.
Almost.
Help you make
Almost.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
It could be a lot. It could be a lot
You
worse.
tucked it in now. I'll headbutt you still, bitch.
See, you're still talking.
No, he wants.
You're still talking. Hey,
You won't. We gave
You're
you
still
a million
talking.
tries, man. It's over, dude. It's over.
That's fucked up, man. You know that's fucked up.
I don't care. I've been trying to be cool with you.
That's fucked up. I was cool with you, man.
And you know what's even worse? I could do this, turn this into a DUI, but I'm not going to.
No, you're cool. There's no DUI.
Yeah, there is because you're in a damn car with your keys in your lap.
How to?
Because you can drive the car.
Where's my
Easily
car?
accessible.
Where's my car?
Right
bro?
here.
Where?
You're leaning on it.
Where?
You're leaning on your car.
Okay, cool. Oh. Fucking go ahead, man.
All right, we're going this way. Will you pick up my cuff, Sarge? Watch your head. Watch your head. Sit down. Watch your head. Watch your head. You need help?
No, I just need
There's
to
pockets for your hands, so if you...
Can I wait for mom to get here?
Well, I'll let you talk to her
when
when she gets here.
you called my mom.
Yeah, she's on the way.
Yeah, you called my mom. Can she
Yeah.
come to this way?
She's on her way. She was coming here
Bro, for real,
to help you. I will roll this window down so you can talk to her.
Bro, for real, you're gonna take
Keys
me.
are going with your mom.
Your keys are going to go with your mom.
Bro, for real, you're gonna let that happen to me.
You should have listened. I was being cool with you. I was trying to help you.
Bro, then can you?
You got the nicest one on the job.
That's
and you
what I
don't wanna
thought. That's
you
what I
don't-
thought.
You don't want to listen to me.
Bro, what the you
Put your
talking
legs
about
down.
doing?
There's a little pocket for your hands.
Oh my god. Please.
All the way in the car.
Come on.
I'm trying my best,
Do you
faggot.
need help?
Trying my best,
Cool,
bro.
man. Good.
You know, watch your knee. Watch your knee.
Bro, for real,
Watch your knee.
you're taking.
What's up?
Hi guys.
Are you mom? All
Got
right.
bad news.
Change of events. So he's going to jail.
Okay.
Battery on Leo. He slapped me. Not my face, my hand, but slapped me. Resisting, just highly intoxicated, acting crazy. I was trying to be super cool with him because he's in a car with his keys in his lap, you know. They were worried about him. That's why I'm here.
Okay, they were worried
Yeah.
about him.
They were worried about it.
Okay,
So they called.
I'm
They
a
were worried that he
bartender
was going to
here.
drive.
Okay.
He was in his car, not getting ready to drive.
Yeah, he wasn't getting ready to drive or
yeah.
anything, but he was sitting in it with the
He was
keys on
sitting
his
there and he
lap.
had the keys on his lap.
So I said,
Okay.
"Hey man, what's up?" You know, and he, right when he saw me, he started getting a little aggro. And then I was telling him, I said, "Hey, I'm trying to help you out. I will get you a ride."
Yeah,
Gave me a
no,
whole
and I
bunch of
appreciate
gave
that
me a whole
because
bunch of
he,
random numbers and stuff like that, and eventually
just
we got a
look it
hold
up
of
and found
you.
me?
Eventually we got a hold of you, and then we got his keys, and that really he didn't. So he escalated it, and we are where we are now. So I don't know how you want to do it with the car.
We don't want them to tell us how I got
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna say, can I? I'll go back and I will get.
Okay.
I'll get his dad and I'll pick him up and bring him back here. Does he have his wallet with him?
I
so
have
you can
no
get his-
idea. I didn't when I searched him. He didn't have anything on him.
I just want to make sure if he's got his wallet, you're
Go
gonna
ahead.
need his info. All of his tools are in here. He works.
I did
In the
not,
end,
and they did not. do
this
anything.
incident wasn't simply about alcohol. It became a lesson in how
I'm gonna
quickly
go, I'm
cooperation
gonna go
can
get
determine the
this
outcome
dad.
of a police encounter.
I already ran her.
Yeah.
The officers spent considerable time trying to avoid making an arrest by offering multiple opportunities for a safe ride home.
He
But once
obviously is
physical
dirty and
resistance
nasty.
and alleged battery
So he probably
entered the
works. He's
picture,
got a big project he's
situation
doing a homeless
changed
shelter over here. So
Okay.
leading to
He works
additional
some good stuff,
charges
so-
instead of a peaceful resolution.
All right. Well, I mean, you know, I
Encounters like
hated that
this
happened
remind
this
us
way.
that
I really
small
tried everything
decisions
I
with
could
great
do.
pressure can have lasting consequences.
Than anybody would. I try to be as cool as I
The
can.
officers
I work.
handled the
I worked
situation
in a monkey
appropriately,
business.
Okay.
or would you have
Yeah,
done something
okay.
differently?
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this breakdown,
I know, and I also
comment, share, and subscribe for more real-life body
All
cam
right.
analysis.
Yeah, buddy.